and sisters, I love my country and I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all others respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity along alive my happiness. Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind!
Good morning, children. Good morning, teachers. Good morning, principal ma'am. Good morning, manager sir, and good morning, Dr. Mishra. Another guest along with me who have come to meet you. CBSE has sent us to see you. That how do you study? Do you study, children? Do you like to study? Your assembly program was very good. Only few corrections I would like to suggest to Principal Ma'am that pledge should be taken after the prayer, not at the last. Pledge is something very important, right? So that is needed. And we are celebrating Martyrs' Day. I should not say celebrating, because which impresses you. Any one quality of Gandhiji which you would like to implement? Any one of you? You know the meaning of qualities? अच्छी बात में. Please come.
I like Gandhiji's simplicity and his non-violence. Thank you.
First of all, good morning to all of you. I like the main theme of Gandhi is that he loved for his country. And so then another thing is non-violence. That is the in our epics we learn that Lord Krishna he fought the war by the taking in Hindi we say that Murli, and we can say that Gandhi is another face of that. He take a stick and to increase the freedom, and he is the main because he used non-violence here.
And for the gift. Another message goes that we should take good care of the things. We should not waste things. Children, if we do not waste, that is a message that we should try. Why don't we have light for 24 hours? Can anyone give me the reason? Why don't we get electricity for all 24 hours? Except some metropolitans. Imagine how much trees are important. What for are they important? They give us oxygen. All of you are very intelligent, very good. And one more thing I would like to say, children, just sometimes read thoughts given by Abdul Kalam. One simple thought he gave for students, that the quality of students is to ask questions. So where
I'm not going to mention the names one by one, but formerly I am thankful to CBSE. The officers they have given a chance, this privilege to be with you and to witness your wonderful assembly, let me say. Though I know you are standing for more than half an hour, so just one point about this assembly. It was a very nice assembly. All the components of assembly expected are covered by all the students very nicely, perfectly. If I am compelled to suggest, let me suggest you one thing, that the prayer was going on track very nicely, but instead of that, if students are playing the instruments, that will be a kind of learning also. And I hope in future we'll try to involve students playing the instrument. Though the assembly was very nice and nothing to say about, and you have covered the importance of the day also. And altogether I feel lucky to be here. You have a wonderful infrastructure, very talented students, and the able hands. Only two points let me remind about this great man. Once he was coming back from Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi had seen and he had taken out the pin, and he had thrown the paper. Then the nearby persons asked, "You have thrown the paper and you have not seen what is written on. Why?" Full item I have taken this RP. So it shows that we have to preserve all the small items. You know, he was a very simple child in his childhood. He was not a bright student also, let us say. You know about his handwriting, he was very poor. Moreover, he was having all the weaknesses that a common man is having. Like, he was sometimes using this beedi, he had written very honestly. He was taking non-veg also. All the weaknesses that we have. So why I am more inspired about him that slowly, by leaving one by one small weaknesses, so by following this Anubrat system, leave your weaknesses one by one, practice them, and then you also can be like our Mahatma Gandhi. So now it said, let us take an oath to leave one by one our weaknesses, and I got a chance to pay homage to the great personality, and the day we have chosen is also very nice. This pure, Pavitra day, inspiring day, and don't think that we are your inspector, but we are one of you, and I think I will learn so many things, then I will inspect you. With this hope, I wish you all the best in all the fields. Thank you.
expect that you. हाँ. SCL का है ये. So who operate? They are both. Oh, very good. Sit down. Only videos are for history photos. Only videos are for history photos. No. History will be needed one complete staff group at class. You can manage many things from Good morning, children. Please sit down. Wash your hands.
इधर देख रहे हैं मैं.
Very difficult.
हाँ धोते हैं.
हाँ, they are